Hello and welcome back to the English Listening Lab. We're thrilled to have you here for today's essential lesson on mastering conversational English. Have you ever been stuck in a conversation, feeling the pressure to speak, but your mind just goes blank? Do you find yourself pausing too much, translating word for word in your head, or overthinking every grammatical rule? If that sounds familiar, you are experiencing the common gap between studying English and living English. For years, students spend countless hours memorizing complex vocabulary and mastering intricate grammar structures. Yet, when they meet a native speaker, they still struggle to sound fluent and natural. The key takeaway here is simple. Fluency is not about complexity, it's about automaticity. Think about how native speakers communicate. They don't generate entirely new sentences every time. They rely on a collection of common, repetitive, and dependable expressions that make the dialogue flow seamlessly. These aren't just filler words. They are the social glue that holds everyday conversations together. Consider your first language. Did you master it by reading advanced texts? No. You absorbed it by listening, imitating, and using high-frequency phrases in real-life, repetitive contexts. This is the blueprint for mastering natural English, too. Instead of chasing obscure academic words, your focus should be on integrating full, practical phrases that you can apply immediately in daily scenarios. In this expanded guide, we're not stopping at 10. We're going to share 12 indispensable English phrases that we personally use every single day. We'll go beyond just listing them. For each phrase, we will show you the precise context for its use, realistic dialogue examples, pro tips for sounding even more natural, effective learning techniques to commit them to memory, and sometimes a fascinating insight into the phrase's origin. By the end of this deep dive lesson, you will have a powerful, practical toolkit that will significantly boost your confidence and help you transition from sounding like a textbook to sounding like a true, natural English speaker. Let's dive right in. 1. Speech balloon. How's it going? The go-to greeting. This is the standard, casual way to ask, "How are you?" among friends, colleagues, or people you see regularly. It's far more common and relaxed than the formal alternative. Why it matters. Using this instantly makes you sound more current and less formal. It's a versatile greeting for almost any non-formal situation. Example conversation. Jenna, "Hey Mark, how's it going? Haven't seen you all week." Mark, "It's going well, thanks. Just a little swamped with the end-of-month reports." You. Pro tip for fluency. A supernatural reply is "can't complain," meaning things are fine. Use it instead of just "good" to sound more authentic. 2. I'll get back to you. The professional promise. This phrase is essential for signaling that you don't have the information right now, but you will find it and respond later. Why it matters. It manages expectations politely. Instead of pausing awkwardly or saying, "I don't know," you sound proactive and in control of the situation. Example dialogue. Client, "Can we confirm the contract details by Tuesday?" You. "I need to check with the legal team first. I'll get back to you with the confirmation by the end of the day tomorrow." Learning technique. Practice integrating a specific timeline with the phrase, "I'll get back to you in 10 minutes," or "I'll get back to you after lunch." 3. I'm just kidding. The humor indicator. Use this when you make a joke, a sarcastic remark, or a playful threat, ensuring the other person knows you don't mean it seriously. Why it matters. Sarcasm and playful teasing are huge parts of English culture. Using this phrase helps you navigate humor without causing offense or misunderstanding. It's often paired with "I'm just messing with you." Example dialogue. Friend, did you really drink the last cup of coffee? You sarcastically, of course. Only the strong survive in this office, my friend. Pause, I'm just kidding. Story insight. This phrase is the social equivalent of a wink. It's a quick repair mechanism when your tone might be ambiguous. For "it's up to you." The decision delegation. A useful phrase when you want to hand the power of decision to someone else because you don't have a strong preference. Why it matters. It's polite and collaborative. Saying "it's up to you" is much friendlier than the slightly dismissive "I don't care." Example dialogue. Partner, which route should we take home? The freeway or the scenic route? You, I have no preference today. It's totally up to you. Learning technique. The next time someone asks you about food, music, or a movie, respond with "it's up to you, I'm easy," which is another common way to say you are flexible. 5. I see what you mean. The acknowledgement of insight. Use this to demonstrate that you understand the logic or the underlying point of what the other person is saying, even if you don't completely agree. Why it matters. This shows you are an active listener. You are confirming that you have absorbed their perspective and processed their idea, which makes for a much deeper conversation. Example dialogue. Colleague, switching to this new platform is difficult, but the long-term efficiency justifies the initial struggle. You, yeah, I see what you mean. The initial pain is a necessary step for future gains. Alternative. A very common, slightly more energetic alternative is "I totally get it." 6. Could you repeat that? The polite request. An incredibly valuable phrase when you missed what was said, the person spoke too quickly, or you simply didn't understand the information. Why it matters. This is the most professional and polite way to ask for clarification. Avoid just saying "what" or "huh," as it can sound abrupt. Example dialogue. Speaker, the next flight leaves from gate 42B at 7:55 a.m. You, I apologize, the announcement was muffled. Could you repeat that for me, please? Pro tip, if you only missed a small part, you can say, "Could you repeat the time?" or "Could you repeat the gate number?" 7. I'm on my way. The location update. A simple, direct phrase letting someone know you have left your current location and are actively traveling to meet them. Why it matters. It's a clear update. It communicates progress and helps manage arrival times. It's much more specific than "I'm coming," which could mean you're just getting ready. Example dialogue, text message. Friend, are you close? We're about to order food. You, I'm on my way. Just turn the corner. Be there in 2 minutes. Story insight. This phrase is a common culprit for white lies. Sometimes people say it when they are still putting on their shoes. But it always means, "I am moving toward you." 8. That sounds great. The enthusiastic acceptance. Use this phrase to express enthusiasm, strong agreement, or excitement about someone's suggestion or plan. Why it matters. It injects positive energy into the dialogue. Instead of a flat "yes," this phrase shows genuine appreciation for the idea. Example dialogue. Colleague, how about we have a team lunch at the new Italian place on Friday? You, that sounds great. I've been wanting to try that restaurant. Alternative. When someone suggests something unexpected but fun, try, "I'm totally down for that." Very casual. 9. Never mind. The abandoned thought. An easy way to signal to your listener that they can forget the question or thought you were about to express, usually because you figured it out or it's no longer important. Why it matters. It allows you to interrupt yourself and move on smoothly. This is a very common, natural pattern in relaxed speech. Example dialogue. You. Do you know where they keep the... Oh, never mind. I see the sugar now. Friend, did you find it? You. Yes, thanks. Learning technique. Train yourself to stop stressing about perfectly forming every question. If you realize you have the answer, cut yourself off with never mind. 10. Let me know. The open invitation for information. This phrase serves as a polite instruction asking the person to inform you or update you later when they have the necessary information or have made a decision. Why it matters. It's a clean way to close a current discussion while leaving the door open for future communication. Example dialogue. Friend, I'm still checking my schedule for the weekend trip. You. No worries at all. Just let me know when you finalize your plans. Pro tip. In a professional context, you can use the more formal, please keep me posted. 11. I've got your back. The assurance of support. This means I will support you, or I will protect you from difficulty. It's a powerful expression of loyalty and reliability. Why it matters. This phrase is key to building rapport and trust in English. It's far more impactful and natural than saying, I will help you if you have a problem. Example dialogue. Colleague, I'm really worried about presenting to the CEO. You don't stress. Just focus on your part, and if anything goes wrong, I've got your back. Story insight. The phrase comes from a military or team context where one person literally guards the back of another. 12. Good call. The casual agreement. A short, punchy phrase used to agree that someone has made a smart decision or a good suggestion. Why it matters. It's high-frequency conversational English. It's quick, complimentary, and demonstrates that you appreciate their insight. Example dialogue. Friend, it's starting to rain. Good call bringing the umbrellas. You. Thanks. I'm glad I checked the forecast this morning. Alternative. You can also say smart thinking, or that's a brilliant idea. Conclusion. Mastering natural English is a marathon, not a sprint, but the secret lies in changing what you focus on. Stop trying to translate every single word and start building muscle memory for these high-utility, essential phrases. These 12 expressions are the foundation of casual and professional dialogue. They will make you sound less like you are thinking in English and more like you are speaking in English. Your actionable challenge. To solidify this knowledge, we have a simple challenge for you. Select 3 of these phrases that are new to you. Commit to using them at least 3 times today in real conversations, emails, or messages. The faster you use them, the faster they become yours. Which of these 12 phrases do you find most immediately useful? Let us know in the comments below. But before you go, if you found this lesson valuable, please do one thing. Hit that subscribe button. As a language learner, subscribing to English Listening Lab is the best way to ensure you never miss our next video. We release new lessons designed to improve your listening comprehension and speaking fluency every week. By subscribing, you keep your learning momentum going and help this community grow. Thank you for joining us. Keep practicing, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Cheers!